For this problem, 10th grade, you ask it to find for the expression. This is a expression. For this expression, which exponent are equivalent, which exponent are equivalent, that is equal to this. So you were asked like 12 times 15 all over 8 times 18. That equal to what? 180 over 144. Become a decimal number 1.25. So find exponent given a and b, which one is equivalent to that expression. So the first one gives you 5 over, so we learned if you have a to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over what? A. So anything raised power of negative 1 receptacle, you have to find a receptacle. Receptacle means opposite. Even if you have a 9, what is the receptacle? It's a negative 1. So if you have what is the receptacle? 1 over 5 is 5 to the negative 1. What of the receptacle of this is this one. So we have to change because we need to get a decimal number. So we have to change to 1 over 5 for this part, right? Receptacle times 2 to the power of negative 4. Then we will have what? 1 over 2 raised power of 4. 2 raised power of 4. So multiplication for a fraction, 1 times 1 is 1. 5, 2 to the power of 4 become what? 2 times 2 times 2, right? This is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So what we have here? 8, right? This become 8. 8 times 5 is what? For a, it is this is 2 to the 4. Yeah, I have to add one more, sorry. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is what? 8 times 2 is 16, right? So 16 times 5 is 80. That's how they got 80 here. So 80, so 1 over 80, it gives you this decimal number, which is a less than this. So we need a equal. So let's check the other one. 5 times 2 to the power of negative 2. So you have to change. You have 5 here, and this is receptacle, right? You do the receptacle. So you're gonna have 1 over 2 to the power of 2. So in normal fraction way, you do like that. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So 5 over 4 become a 1.25, right? If you divide it 5 divide to 4, it become a 1.25. So this is the equal of this equation. This is the equal. So these two are equal. So this is the answer for this part, and this is for 10th grade, and this is how you find when you have to give in a expression. You might be given like this way, or you might be asked to this time is 5 over whatever, so 5 here, and you got the decimal number there, and you will be given some written like this way, and you have to first change to the fraction and numbers. How? You have to do the receptacle, then go through the work, show your work, and equal whatever you were given. This is for 10 grade.